This is an instructional video on how to use an iClicker for teachers and professors. So what you're going to want to do is you're starting on your desktop here. You're going to want to click on your iClicker program folder. So just double click on that. And then you're going to want to find the iClicker program within the folder. Double click on that to open it. Go ahead and click Run. And you're going to be able to create a new course, either create a new course or continue with a course that you're already using the iClicker program for. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to click on New, and you just go ahead and enter your course name, whatever it may be. I'm just using this as an example. Just type in random things, click Create, and now you can see that this class that we just entered is selected. So just click Choose right there. Now it's going to bring up this main window, which you're going to see every time you're going to open the iClicker program. So go ahead and click Start Session, and it's going to say searching for bases for a little while. As this is doing that, I just want you to make sure that you have your base plugged into your USB port on your computer. Okay, so it opens up the clicker window up in the top left-hand corner. So I'm just going to open up a sample PowerPoint so that you can see what it actually looks like. So here I've started my PowerPoint, and you can move this around just by clicking and dragging. You can move it to any convenient place within your PowerPoint presentation so that it's not in the way of anything. Just make sure to click back onto the PowerPoint after you've moved it, or else the arrow keys won't advance or go back with the slides. So here's my first slide, and I'm going to click my arrow key to move forward. And I've come across the clicker question, so I want to start the polling. And I'm going to drag this down here so that you can see the majority of the slide and also the polling results. And all you have to do is click the green arrow key right here when you want to start polling. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now you can see that the iClicker base is now taking polls, and that 0 means how many votes have been received. So I have a few sample iClickers here, and I'm just going to push them so that you can see the number increasing as I click the number of iClickers. So this is the number of responses that you're getting. And you're going to want to stop when you have about 90 to 95% of your expected votes. So your class size, whatever that may be. You can also go off how many seconds you've been polling. So let's just stop at 40 seconds. You just go ahead and click the stop button. So that stops the poll. Now you can either choose to show your results with this button right here, or you can choose to have the class discuss it and then re-poll after they've discussed their answers. So just for example purposes, I'm going to go ahead and show the results. So as you can see, these are the results of the poll that I just took. And if you'd like to re-poll, you just click out of that, do the same process. It's now polling. I'm going to pretend vote. So I now have all 4 of my votes. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And now I'm going to show the results again. So now these are the results that just came from that poll that I just took. And I can use the back arrow key right here to show the previous results. And as you can see, those are different because I pushed different buttons. And you can switch between those two to show before discussion and after discussion if that's what you choose to do. So you just go ahead and X out of that, click back onto the PowerPoint, and you can advance to the next clicker question. And see, you can drag this. You can drag this back up to here so that it's not covering the question or anything. And when you're done with the iClicker system, just go ahead and X out of this. It's going to bring up this window again, and just X out of that as well. and it'll close the clicker polling system. And that's it.